Welcome back, guys. CryptoFly channel. Today I would like to talk about 5 meme coins, and I would like to start with the PNUT. I already showed you the potential gains for this token if PNUT will reach 3 billion market capitalization this cycle. From current prices, it's around 1,300% gains. It's 13x, so pretty good gains. Potential pretty good gains if this token will reach again 3 billion market capitalization, all-time high by market cap, because the highest point was like 2.43. and I hope you not hop in here at the top, because I showed you that all zones relevant, because we use the initiation accumulation pump model after listing all the time. You just can go and watch that tutorial totally for free. Use that model for any token. You just need one daily candle close. So that's it, pretty simple. All levels legit, and invalidation of idea if the token dump under listing price. I use all the time trying to find the lowest listing price to reduce the risk. So potential gains if the PNUT will reach 3 billion market capitalization over the dog we've had, it's 1,300% gains. Conservative one, it's a sweep of this liquidity pool, and the close of weekly fulfill 351 from now. Now, like you can see, we hold the line. It's the OK zone to buy here. This is a level. This is OK zone for accumulation. Previously, we 1, 2, 3 times reject till penny. After that, we use it like support. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times till penny. We bounce it from 21.40. The main liquidation, the max pain for PNUT now, monthly time frame, it's dropped to 20 cents 80, will be 169k liquidations, and if we pump to 26, almost 27 cents, it's 345k liquidations, but we need to pump like 27% up. Honestly, much easier to drop a little bit lower again. The most realistic case scenario, by my personal opinion, it's a drop again to 16.59, 14.48. This level would be, for me personally, more logical entry in September. The most boring case scenario, if we just talk in the range like 24.78, 21.40. So this is a range like 5-cent range. We can stock for September before the Fed decision cuts. So now here is a liquidation map on the monthly time frame on a Binance here also. This is a drop to 20 cents 80, 200k liquidation, and the main liquidity pool about the 27k, it's 328. This is a all-time high by market cap to 2.43. That's why now capitalization it's 200 million. We can't say it's a low cap, but $1 at least it's possible again to see for the PNUT if we'll see the new hype and new all-time high by Sol. So I think when the Solana will hit the new all-time high, all meme coins and the meme sector will follow, or like it's happened before, all meme sector on Sol pump it. After that, the market makers and the centralized exchanges and the big guys grab all liquidity from the memes and the inflow into Sol. That's why, guys, build a realistic price target for memes. The more than real to see drop, liquidate everybody even to 16.59 in the first week of September, and after that go higher. Here the buy line on the daily time frame now, it's exactly 16.25. So I don't see any bullish reasons now. Here's a vertical line, so this is a liquidity pool. So definitely we're gonna sweep the more likely we're gonna sweep the 18.20. No money inflow, nothing good now for PNUT. Today video I showed you can use now the beta indicator out the trend lines on the trading view. So here, but this is a great example. So all these trend lines works only in a theory. So one touch, second touch, third one, drop, fake out, bounce, and we crash it down. So this trend line invalidated. That's why we go to 12 time frame, find another one. So guys, if you want to play with that trend lines, you can try it, but don't trust that trend lines. Here the buy line, even on a 12 time frame, it's also the same level. So now I see more reasons to drop to 1694, 1659, it will be more logical entry to buy on a spot, or even try futures here. A spot, it could be like, I don't know, it's hard to say where you need to add a stop loss, or even the 10% stop loss, like 15-cent stop loss. The potential gains will be pretty high, at least 100% at take profit line on a 12 time frame. So 10% against 100%. So pretty good win ratio, not risk ratio, win ratio. So this is it, guys. This is for peanuts. All eyes now on next few weeks before the Fed decision. But I guess they will start cut the rate. But before the rate, I explained it in today's video. 15 September. It's 19 days left. So here, till that time, we can. Most positive case. I repeat again. It's a trade in the range. This one. But the best one, it's a drop to test the buy line, because we didn't test it. And bounce in October, November. The bullish targets, guys, definitely this is a liquidity pool over than 80 cents, 800 million. It's like a magnet for the peanut. Now no money inflow yet. Weekly time frame also nothing special. Take a look, guys. Another indicator, another token, Aixbt. It's so weird picture, guys. So sad to see how the centralized exchanges wrecked these guys. I mean centralized exchanges, because they list this token. Why did you list the token if you knew it's just a pump and dump, almost scam token? Just a few days after the launch on the pump fund, even the Binance listed this token. Why? So many tokens, MemeCoins, for example, even the attached tokens like a Aixbt, still not listed on Binance, but you list the Aixbt random token for what? Just to distribute your bags, because it seems like you're the part of the game, because you get the allocation. What this candle about? So take a look at the 12 time frame candle. How it even possible? And what's the point? So dumping one candle like 18 to 8 cents. So this is not even the healthy price section. Daily time frame, guys, here we close the huge daily gap, almost close to the full fill. So guys, it's weird because if we check the Aixbt, the capitalization, also the same story. Imagine the all-time high by market cap being like almost 1.9 billion, and we dump it to 37 million. It's kind of weird, guys, and many tokens will never cover back again. That's why let's go back to CoinsGlass. The liquidations again. Even nobody. There's no liquidations. Even no liquidations. No liquidity even. 79K liquidations. Drop to less than 2 cents. Now it's 3 cents 96. 79K liquidations will be 6% drop. Even the longs liquidation is only 122. So it's kind of weird, guys, how they manipulate. Yes, this is a pure manipulation with the listings. Aixbt. There is no even the Aixbt USDT here. Binance. 1 month's liquidation heat map. Absolutely mind-blowing chart. Here, so this is a stop losses. Yes, this is focus liquidation 79K. But every main liquidation is about. But guys, technically, yes, it can be the good underdog now to hop into this token here. Full fill of the weekly gap will be like 18 cents. Maybe, but risky. Of course, risky. Any token is risky, but this one, like, especially. I don't remember exactly what happened here's with that dump. From now, it can be like 372% up. Maybe. Like 100, around 180 million market capitalization. Monthly, yes, it's also the weekly and the monthly gap. So potential move is 372 up to 19 cents. Risky, but Any token is risky. We can form, you know, like a bar pattern. You know, the bar pattern, this one. So be careful, guys, with this type of tokens, because I will be not surprised if tomorrow the Binance will make an announcement. So, oh, sorry guys, but we're gonna delist this token. Everything possible, everything possible. So the bullish target I showed you, it's 18 cents. Now we're just in the chop range here. If we cut all noise with the wicks, so it's like 6 cents 4 and 3 cents 8. So 3 cents range. Money inflow been here in June 25, like 3 cents 66. So we're now a little bit over than that levels, and this is not like a time to out of this token, but guys, indicators can predict potential delisting. For example, if this token is not a pure scam, the same story. If Sol pump, all ecosystem will follow, or the ecosystem will pump and Sol will follow because of the liquidity outflow from the memes into Sol again. But anyway, if you will decide to take a risk with Aixbt now, be ready to fix a profit. 100% pump. So for example, 7 cents, you withdraw initial deposit and ride with the free tokens. Here, the buy line now on the daily, it's 2 cents 89. Now we're just in the middle. Take profit, it's 5 cents 82. Exit line, 6 cents 51. No money inflow on the daily. 12-hour time frame, 2 cents 82. 2 cents, yes, 85. For me personally, it would be more logical to try, if you want to gamble with this token, to try buy this token at least at some buy line. It will be like risky, but more logical entry. Now we're just in the middle. So guys, it's kind of weird, but centralized exchanges can manipulate. And you remember that stories when for example, the BitGet lists the bunch of tokens, and after that just send an email story, but we would like to inform you, we will delist the 75 trading pairs. And most of them was like a MemeCoins. So here, potential risk ratio, like on a spot, 10% stop loss, 558 on a spot, to 180 million market capitalization. Possible, but be careful, guys, with these tokens. Zones, we're okay. Try to catch the knives I showed you. Take a look, guys. AXBDS, same story. AXBT. USDT. Here we use initiation accumulation pump model, all levels absolutely the same. Even here November 24, this token listed. We still here, and almost after the year we still trade in just okay zone to buy. This is the next one to buy, accumulate. So all, guys, levels are legit. Most likely we will see the test of the buy line. It's 9 cents 64. In September, the crazy crash, it's a test of the best zone. It's 5 cents 54, 4 cents 28. Unfortunately, it's possible, guys, because we leave the liquidity pool here, 6 cents 63 on the daily. Weekly time frame also not looks good. At least if we compare the Aixbt and AXBT, so here, this one, money inflow. Money inflow we see on this token. The magnet also, it will be like a close to fulfill of weekly gap between 38 and 56. So honestly, I wish to see the drop at least 840, 554 with a target like 50 cents. If we check the max pain liquidations, 9, so almost equal. But it's kind of weird, you know. Take a look, 114k, we need to drop 5% down, and to liquidate 153k, we need to pump 32% up. That's why guys, be realistic, you know, with your expectation, and most likely we will see the drop, because it's easy. It's much easier. A drop to 4% down to liquidate almost the same liquidity pool and the same liquidity amount of money. So here, the fulfill of a weekly gap is 878, and the test of the OK zone to buy. If we will hold the line here, it will be, for me personally, a miracle for this stock. And this is the logical zone of fixation profit. All zones, guys, absolutely relevant. So be ready to fix 100% profit if you decide to take a risk now. So at 20 cents, just to fix the profit. Fix the profit, guys. All the time, fix the profit. So what about a capitalization? This one. 100 million market cap, the same story. What is good that all these tokens is almost with the same supply, around the 1 million. So to hit $1, the same like it was in here in January 2025, 1 billion capitalization, almost 1 billion capitalization. Sounds even more unreal. Possible, but sounds unreal. 570 million, around 570 million is more than a realistic one. Guys, not all, even the meme coins will pump. So just in case, even with a crazy altcoin season. So to buy line, I showed you, trade on, buy, only buybacks, so no main signal to buy yet. 12 time frame, buy signal was last here. Recommendation close position. Now no new money inflow, so you can add alert for the money inflow and wait. Beta, guys, take a pause now till middle of September. Mark your comfortable zone for accumulation and wait. Just wait. So this is XBT, bonk. Potential of this stock, and I showed you in the recent video. Even if the bonk will cut 1-0 or 2-0, 1-3-0, no, 1-0. If we cut 1-0 from now, it's only 371% gains. For that, people who accumulated here, that gains will be like 53,000, 530x. So that's a big differences, guys, of entries. So everything should be in time. Based on take profit indicator here, the buy line now for bonk is 0.4014, this one, and I wish to see this line. And now no money inflow, nothing, so only fixation by whales here, unfortunately, guys. So under, it's 2 monthly gap, also like a magnet. So unfortunately, this magnet can't play now. 1 and 2, 1 and 2 magnets for the bonk. If we double check the bonk liquidations, max pain is nice one. Is take a look, the 3,057,000. So we need to see the pump 75%. So this one, we need to pump over than this liquidity pool, where we leave it here in Joule, and see the liquidations over than 1,000,005. Nice one. So of course this level looks more attractive, but you know, by middle of September we can see something like this one, chop and liquidate even more and go straight forward to the new all-time high. So this is it. Daily time frame looks like we just try and find a support at this level, but anyway, the buy line is 0.4014. Also like a magnet here, the first test. So that's why I'm not recommend you to buy now, you know, better wait, because when we stay not so far from the buy line, in many cases we come back and test that line, believe it or not. So now it's 0.401854. It's a buy line on bonk. From now it's a drop like 13%. So that's it, guys. For bonk, I'm better wait this zone, and after that we'll check what will happen with Sol and BTC dominance and the BTC. Better, of course, to wait the buy line here. In June 25, we didn't test it. Lines are dynamic. Honestly, I don't believe now in monthly gaps, but it's possible. The global targets I showed you, but it's still just like 370%. If we will count from the buy line test to cut 1-0, yes, it's over than 5x. Over than 5x. Let's double check, guys, the last BOME. If we talk about all of these meme coins, BOME looks most underrated meme. Yes, because this was two signals to buy. Here was a money inflow, and now we almost at the top, but without any signals to money inflow and without any signals to buy. That's why the best case, personally, it's a drop to 0.2011 to test first level. And I explained to you, if it's the range, the next step should be over than this high, like over than 3 cents deviation at the top. The top of this token, I guess, if we will see the hype around the Solana ecosystem, Solana meme sector, it's a 3 cents 51, 3 cents 77. It's the end of cycle, I guess, for a BOME. Liquidations, I think the first they will liquidate this long positions, 263k liquidations for shorts. If we check let's check the model 2, BOME USDT on the Binance liquidation. Let's check also not a 24-hour, 1 month. So where are the main liquidity pools for this token? Yes, here this one is attractive. 0.2016. It's a little bit lower than this liquidity pools. So guys, yes, nothing positive now for BOME. Better wait. So this level, guys, looks so attractive for liquidations. This one. So if you want to try gamble now, be ready to see the 16% drop at least. 12-hour time frame, guys. Like many other tokens, I think we will come back and test the buy line. It's now it's 1 cent, 0.2013. I think around 15 September we will test 0.2015 because the lines are dynamic. So till that time, I think we will be here. It's gonna be this test and go higher. And 17 September will be the decision about the rates, and we'll see the reversal move. But before, we need to liquidate more longs, late longs, and prepare for the short squeeze. So this is it, guys. Global targets I showed you a million times. I showed you. Now no signal to buy, nothing. Conservative one, of course, guys, if we will just stop at 1 cent 55. If we count the potential of BOME, and if we compare, for example, with the other tokens, let's go back to the monthly time frame. We can't know if this token is a scam or not for now, right? But here, the potential 0.5, it's 6x. And the end of cycle for this one, it's around 18x. Based on a risk ratio, if to choose between all of these 5 tokens, the BOME looks more promising. Guys, I hope you like this video. Write us in a comment what do you think about these memes. If you'd like to trade as my customer, because I would show in this video, just write me a DM. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.